Okay, so just give you a quick little tour. This right here, that blue thing, is our well. It's got a corrugated metal cylinder running all the way down to the ground. I think about 13 feet until we hit water, 16 feet to the bottom. Is rusted through, lots of holes. It's dirty water, but it's been serving us for flushing and showering and such. Nothing to do with food, eating. Anyway, Sunday morning we realized that the pipe has frozen somewhere between here and there, and we're not getting any water to the house. At the same time, I thought maybe it's just as it's coming in the house, because it's a very cold part of the home where the water comes in. So we increase the heat, put a little surface or space heater in, and we put a little space heater in to try and get the area to warm up, which it did. It warmed up and then burst a pipe going to our washing machine. So Alan caught that quickly and capped that off, so we don't have any water going to our washing machine now, but we still don't have any water coming in the house at all, so that's fine. And then at the same time that all happened, I realized that the waste water coming out of our kitchen sink has then frozen. We had a busy weekend and we didn't eat at the house very much, and so I think it's because we didn't have a lot of use of water and the minus 30 degrees. The combination just did not work out in our favor. Now I am just going for a walk to pick up the kids from school. So there is our lovely non-watered house. And so the challenge now is we don't have any burst pipes and we don't have any problem getting our wastewater out of the house. We have purchased a 30-foot length of trace cable, like heated trace cable, to run down inside the pipe. We're going to connect it to one of those electrical fish wires and sort of push it down to the end and see if we can melt out the ice. But our challenge is we could only find 30-foot length, and we've run the little fish wire down there already, and it measures at a little bit over 48 feet. So we're like 18 feet shy of the goal, and so now we're wondering if we just get that same heat trace wire cable and we go out to the well and we try and wrap it around there and let that run for a couple hours and see if we can thaw it out. And then in future, hopefully we can do something either like that sooner when we know we're going to get minus 30s and minus 40 degrees, and just like do it preemptively, or just always keep a little bit of a flow, a little bit of taps flowing. Oh, my hands are getting cold now holding the phone. And then hopefully that'll prevent a freeze again. And anyway, living and learning. Super difficult to run a house, a kitchen, feed 5 people on a home that ends up with disruptive service so much. Looking forward to our new build and all the added features like consistent water supply. Anyway, have a good day.